All right, guys, the last thing I got for you here is a pretty creative way to market your Instagram and Facebook pages. So I couldn't get the picture to get onto my computer properly, so I just took a picture with my phone to show you. These are business cards, and all I did was a little bit of Photoshop and front and back here, put a couple of your top selling designs on what looks like a phone with Instagram on it, and then just have it so people see that there's a link in the bio for a discount, and it goes right to your page. So when you just leave these out, I mean, even if you put them on a table like that out at a Starbucks or wherever, people are going to see that. When someone sees a business card, they don't think much. When they see a phone, a miniature phone on a table with Instagram on it, people want to know what's on that phone. So that's an awesome way to do that. And here's just wanted to show you the file here. It's just photoshopped, and you just throw a couple things together, and I mean, it prints out pretty good. If you don't have knowledge in Photoshop, it's super easy to use. Maybe Pixlr, Pixlr.com. You could use something like that. And all I did was I had this photo here, which is Instagram, and I put that in the screen of this iPhone that I got them both off Google. And then I just put my picture from Typorama right there, and or not from Typorama, put this picture from Teespring right in the middle here, and then edited some of the pictures and the text. That's about it. But you put that on some cards here, and they're really cheap. It's about $20. I think I paid $20 for 1,000 business cards from Staples, and they were made the same day. So you can't go wrong. But that's a really neat way to market, and it's super low cost. And it's pretty fun too. So if anyone asks about your clothing company, give them a unique business card, and they can look on Instagram. They can get to your storefront from there. I mean, what's not to love? So just got to think outside of the box a little bit. The more creative you get, the more sales you get. So play around with it. I hope you guys have fun, and I hope you enjoyed this course.